So my daughter Dhanvi, today's worksheet. First question is minus 3 square whole cubed is equal to. So first, this is in the form of exponential law, a power m whole power n, a power mn. That means 2 square whole cube is equal to 2 square into 2 square into 2 square. That is 2 power 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 2 power 6. When we use formula, 2 square whole cube is equal to 2 power 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 power 6. So that's why we have to use formula to reduce the time for. So that's why now I am taking minus 3 whole square whole cube is equal to minus 3 as a, m is 2 and n is 3. That's why minus 3 whole power 2 into 3 minus 3 whole power 6. So here the answer is option 2. The answer is option 2. Okay. Next question is for a non-zero rational number x, x power 8 by x square. For a non-zero rational number x power 8 divided by x square. Here is also we have to use exponential law. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n when m greater than n. Now x power 8 divided by x power x square is written as x power 8 by x square. Here a is x and m is 8 and n is 2. So that's why here m is greater than n. Then x power 8 minus 2 is equal to x power 6. X power 6. So the answer is option 2. So next, third question. If x is a non-zero rational number, product of the square of x with the cube of x is equal to the. So product of the square of x with the cube of x is equal to. So first, third question. So square of x is x square, cube of x is x cubed. Cube of x is x cubed. Product of the square x with the cube of x. So that means we have to multiply these two, x square into x cube. Here we are going to use another exponential law, x power m into x power n. If bases are equal, when we are multiplying, then the product is also same base and exponents are adding. We add exponents. So x power m plus n. That means x square into x cubed means x power 2 plus 3. That is equal to x power 5. That means fifth power of x. That is option 3. Fifth power of x. That is option 3. Next, fourth question. Now I am going to do the fourth question. So I am going to fourth question. For any two non-zero rational numbers x and y, x power 5 divided by y power 5 is equal to, for any two non-zero rational numbers x and y, x power 5 divided by y power 5. This is fourth question. Now I am going to use the exponential law again. Exponential law, a power m divided by b power m, or a power m by b power m is written as a by b whole power m. Now both a and b has exponent m. That's why we are combining a by b. So x power 5 by divided by y power 5 can be written as x power 5 by y power 5. X by y whole power 5. X by y whole power 5. So, or x divided by y whole power 5. Option 3. Product of a raised to m and a raised to n. Product of a raised to m and a raised to n. So, and a product of raised to m and a raised to n. So that means product of a raised to m and a raised to n. A power m and a raised to product of a raised to m. So first, a raised to m means a power m. A raised to n is a power n. Product of this means product of this means a power m into a power n. Here we are multiplying the same bases or same exponents. So bases are equal, then we are multiplying. Then we can write it as same base and we are adding exponents. A power m plus n. So fifth question answer is option 3. Fifth question answer is option 3. Next, sixth question. 1 power 0 plus 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0 is equal to. So as we know that anything power 0 is equal to 1. That means 1 power 0 is 1, 2 power 0 is 1, 3 power 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So that means sixth question answer is third option. Next, seventh. Value of 10 power 22 plus 10 power 20 by 10 power 20 is. Here, as we know that a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus. Now, 10 power 20 can be written as 10 power 20 plus 2. 10 power 20 by 10 power 20. Here a power m plus n. A power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n. Here a is 10, m is 20 and n is 2. So that's why 10 power 20 into 10 square plus 10 power 20 by 10 power 20. So here 10 power 20 is common. That's why we take 10 power 20 outside. 10 square plus 1 by 10 power 20. Here 10 power 20 into 10 square means 100 plus 1 by 10 power 20. 10 power 20, 10 power 20 cancel. 100 plus 1 means 101. 100 plus 1 means 101. Option 3. Option 3 is 101. Okay. Next. Now we are going to rub it. We are going to rub it. Okay. Now, if m is equal to 3, eighth question, if m is equal to 3, then value of x is raised to m minus 3. The value of x is raised to m minus 3. So x is raised to m minus 3 means x power m minus 3. Here m is equal to 3, that's why x power 3 minus 3 is equal to x power 0, that is equal to 1. So the option is third option. Next, ninth question. So ninth question, cube of minus 1 by 4. Cube of minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 4 whole cube. So minus power odd number is minus. Minus power odd number is minus. That's why minus 1 by 4 cubed. So minus 1 by 4 cubed means 64. Minus 1 by 64. So that is option 3. Next, which of the following is not equal to minus 5 by 4 whole power 4? So which of the following is not equal to minus 5 by 4 whole power 4? So the first one is minus 5 whole power 4 by 4 power 4. Okay. Next, right. Next, minus 1 5 power 4 by 4 power 4. Okay. Next, minus 5 power 4 by 4 power 4. Option 3 is minus 5 by 4 into minus. Okay. Option 4 is option 4 and option 2. So option 1 is minus 5 whole power 4 by 4 power 4. Yes, right. This correct. Is not equal to equal to. Yes, it is equal to. Next, 5 power 4 by 4 power 4 is not equal to. Option 2 is right. Option 2 is right. Option 3 is also minus 5 power 4 by 4 power 4. Here, two options is not equal to. So, the first one is equal to. Second one is not equal to. Third one is also not equal to. And fourth one is also equal to. So, that's why here two answers are there. Here two answers are there. So that's why we cannot put the answer.
రోడ్ సైడ్ కూడా ఉండలేవా నువ్వు మనకి
So which of the following is not equal to 12? Here 12, 125 or 12? This is not visible. 2 cubed into 3 square into 4 into 18. So first option is, for the 11th question, first option is 2 cubed into 3 square by 4 into 18. 2 cubed means 8, 3 square means 9 by 4 into 18. 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja, 2 4 ja, 4 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja. Right. So 1. Next, minus 2 whole cubed by minus 2 power 4 divided by minus 2 whole power 7, that is also 1. 3 power 0 1, 5 cubed also 1. So 2 power 4 by 7 power 0 plus 3 power 0 whole cubed. 2 power 4 by 1 cubed, that means 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So not equal to 1. It is not equal to 1 means I think option 4 is right. Option 4 is right. So the 11th one is 2 power 4. 11th one, fourth option is 2 power 4 by 7 power 0 plus 3 power 0 whole cubed. 2 power 4 means 16. 7 power 0 is 1 plus 1 cubed. So 16 by 2 cubed. 16 by 8. That is equal to 2. So it is not equal to 1. That's why last option is right. So that's why 14th, 11th one is 11th one answer is 4. Fourth option. Next 2 by 3 whole cube into 5 by 7 whole cube. So 12th one 2 by 3 whole cube into 5 by 7 whole cube is equal to. So as usual is equal to 2 by 3 into, so a power m into b power m is equal to ab whole power m. A power m into b power m is equal to ab whole power m. So here 3 is a father of 2 by 3 and 3 is a father of 5 by 7. So each and every one father and raskochu annamata. AB whole power m. So that's why option 3 is right. 2 by 3 into 5 by 7 whole power 3. In a standard form, the number in a standard form, so 13th one is 82903 4 zeros is written as k into 10 power 8. K into 10 power 8. We have to find k. So as we know that 1 into 10 power 1 is 10. So okay. So next 1 into 10 square is 100. So 1 into 10 cubed is 1000. So when we power the 10 by 3, here 3 zeros are there. So that's why 10 power 8 is equal to 1. So after 1 we get 8 zeros. Here 4 zeros are there. That's why. First we can write it as 8.2903. 8.2903. So 4 zeros are there. That's why 10 power 4, right? 4 zeros are there. 10 power 4 is next 2903. Here 4 zeros are there. So that's why 10 power 8. 10 power 8. 8.2903 into 10 power 8. So the k value is 10 power 8. So 10 power 8. Right? 8.2903. So first 8.2903 into 10 power 1 means 82.903. Next 10 square 829.03 into this is, if this is k, 10 cubed 8290.3 into 10 power 4 82903, okay, into 10 power 8. So we have 82903 4 zeros. Okay, right? Into so 10 power 4 into 10 power 4 into k. K into 10 power 4 is 82903 into 10 power 4 means 4 zeros extra. So 1 into 10 power 4 is equal to, okay, so 82903 4 zeros. So that's why the answer is 8.2903. K is 8.2903. Which of the following has the largest value? First question. 0.001. Option 2, 1 by 10 square. Option 3. So first 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1 as we know. That means 1 by 10 power 1. 1 by 10 square is equal to 0.01. So 1 by 10 cubed is equal to 0.001. So 1 by 10 power 4 is equal to 0.0001. So 1 by 10 power 5 is equal to 0.401. So 1 by 10 power 6 is equal to 0.501. So here 1 by 10,000 means 1 by 10,000 means what? 1 by 100 is 10 square. 1 by 10 cubed is equal to 1000. 1 by 10 power 4 is equal to 1000. So 1 by 10 power 1 by 1000 that is equal to 1 by 1000. 10,000. 1 by 10,000 is 0.0001. 0.0001. So this is the second option. First option is 0.001. Third option is 1 by 10 square, 0.507. Fourth option is 1 by 10 power 6, 1 by 10 power 6 divided by 0.1. 1 by 10 power 6 into 1 by 10. 1 by 10 power 7. 1 by 10 power 7. It is less than 1 by 10 power 6. So 1 by 10 power 4 is 0.001. That means 1 by 10,000. Next 1 by 10 power 6 is 0.001. So that's why 0.001. 0.001. That means 1 by 10 cube is the largest value. 14th question answer is first one. In standard form 72 crore is written as 72, 720, 7,200, 72,000, 72,000 after 7 lakh 20,000, 72 lakhs. Next, crore. 72 crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. 72,000. In standard form, 72 crores as written as. As we know about that, we all know that. So 10. So 72 into 10 is equal to 72 into 10 power 1 is equal to, so first 7.2 into 10 power 1 is 72. 7.2 into 10 square is equal to 720. 7.2 into 10 cubed is equal to 7200. 7.2 into 10 power 4 is equal to 72,000. 7.2 into 10 power 5 is equal to 7,20,000. 7.2 into 10 power 6 is equal to 72 lakhs. 72 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 7.2 into 10 power 7 is equal to 7 crore 20,000. 7 crore 20,000. 7.2 into 10 power 8 is equal to 72 crores. 3, 6, 7. 72 crores. 3, 6, 7. So 72 crores. That means 7.2 into 10 power 8. Here is the third option. Next, 16th question. 16th question. For a non-zero a by b Non-zero A and B. A by B whole power m. A by B whole power m divided by A by B whole power n. Where m greater than n is equal to. Where m greater than n is equal to. As all know, in exponential law, a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. A power m by a power n is a power m minus n when m is greater than n. We all know about that. So that's why here a is a by b, m is m and n is n. So that's why a by b whole power m minus n. A by b whole power m minus n. A by b whole power m minus n. So the option 3. Option 3. Okay, 17th one. Which of the following is not true? 17th one. Which of the following is not true? 17th one is which of the following? 3 square greater than 2 cubed. 3 square means 9. 2 cubed means 8. Yes, it is right. 4 cubed is equal to 2 power 6. 4 cubed is equal to 2 square whole cubed. Right. That is also right. 3 cubed is equal to 9. It's fault. 3 cubed is equal to 27. 9 is equal to 3 square. 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 32 pi square. So here, which of the following is not true means, so for the first one is 3 square is greater than 2 cubed. So 3 square means 9. 3 square means 9. 9 greater than 8. Right. Option 1 is not true. 4 cubed is equal to 2 power 6. So 4 cubed, 4 means 2 square whole cubed. 2 power 6. So 2 square. 2 square means a power m whole power n. 2 power 2 into 3. 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is equal to 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is equal to 2 power 6. So that is also right. Next. Option 3. 3 cubed is equal to 9. Implies 3 cubed is equal to 3 square. It is fault. So this is the right answer. 2 power 5 is greater than 5 square. So 2 power 5 is 32. 5 square is 25. Yes, it is also right. So that's why the answer is option 3. Answer is option 3. Which power of 8 is equal to 2 power 6? Which power of 8 is equal to 2 power 6? Which power of 8? Which power of 8 is equal to so which power of 8 is equal to 2 power 6? So 2 power 6. Here, where is the answer? The first one is 2 power 2 is not right. Which power of 8 is equal to 2 power 6? So 2 power 8 is 2 power 6 is not equal to 2 power 8. That's why it is false. Next, 2 power 6 is equal to 5 power 8. This is also false. 2 power 6 is equal to 0 power 8. Is also false. So 2 power 6 is equal to 1 power 8. It's also false. ఇదొకటి మళ్ళీ పెట్టుకుని రావాలన్నా రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ 19. 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0 plus 4 power 0 into 4 power 0 minus 3 power 0 minus 2 power 0. So anything power 0 is equal to 1. That's why 1 minus 1 minus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. That means 3. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 cancel. Minus 1 is there. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3. That's why 19th question is Answer is minus 3. Minus. So last 20 question is minus of minus 4 whole power 4. So minus power anything is plus 4 power 4. 4 4 is 16, 16 6 is 256. Minus 256. So minus 256 is answer. So right. Okay.